Hi friends, today we'll talk about new two functions in Excel program. Today we'll talk about index and match functions. The index and match functions are two easy functions, two simple functions, and in the same time that's two important functions. We can use index function to do lots of things. We will use it today to return something from table. Look, we have here this table. In this table, we have four columns. We have the division, game, productivity, and utility. We have here the applications. We have here revenue for all the applications and the profit of that also. We will use index function to return the division of the application we want here. Here we use the data validation to make a list for the application. Can say we want the hacker or wrinkle or plant as you see. Now we will use the index function for what we said. That equal index tab the array we have the result in it, the division column, comma, the row number, the plant in 1 2 3 4 5 6 6. We have just one column, so we don't use the column number. Productivity blend in productivity, but if we change the blend to hacker not in productivity, it's in game division, but the result not change doesn't change. So we will make something to change. If we want to change the result, we will change the row number. If we want to change row number, we will use function for that. Right? We will use the match function here. Match. The lookup value is the application in the lookup array. The applications column, comma, zero exact match, and we will close the function, and we will close the index also, enter. Again, if we change the hacker to plant another time, dot activity 20 utility, misty wash also utility, and now we will use index function to make the same thing, but to profit, not division. We can say equal index tab the array is profit column, comma, the one number match, the lookup value is the misty wash, and the applications column, comma, zero. We close the match function and the index functions and enter. The profit of Misty Wash here is 786. Now we will use the index function also another time, but here we have the revenue, not just revenue. We have revenue and profit. If we change the profit to revenue, the result will change, and if we change the revenue to profit, the result will change also. How we can do that? We will use now the column number. Look, equal index. The array is the revenue and profit column, comma, the row number match. The lookup value is the Misty Wash in applications column, comma, zero exact match, and we'll close the match function, comma. Now the column number also we will use the match another time. The lookup value is the revenue or profit. We have it here, comma. The lookup array is the revenue and profit here, comma, exact match. We'll close the function and we will close the index function and enter. Here we use the profits for that, and we have 787. If we change it to revenue, the result changed. The result is 30,400. Now, if we change the Misty Wash for plant, productivity, thousand and 1,166, 17,000 and 990. Now we will make the same thing, but we will use another function. We will use filter function now. Filter function also easy function, also that important function, two important function in Excel program. We'll use it now to take the dividend, profit, and revenue. But the filter function just in just in 365 of this, just in it. We'll use it now. Equal filter tab. The array we have the result in it, the division column, comma, the include that the applications equal the blend. Just like that, and enter productivity. If we change the blend to hacker, that change also. Now we will use it to profit equal filter tab. The array is the profit column, comma, the include that applications equal the hacker, and enter. Just like that. Now we'll make it for revenue and profit in the same time. Equal filter. The array is here, comma. No, not this. We will use the we'll use no the this array. Yes, the include that the applications equal the hacker. To make it like that, we take the revenue and profit as you see, but we want just the profit or just the revenue. Now we'll use the filter another time. We'll use it two times. Filter. The array is the filter we make it. The filter we made it. We make comma. The include that revenue and profit equal the profit. And we will close the filter function and enter. We take it the profit. If we say we want the revenue, we take it the revenue. If we change the hacker to blend or linker or any application another time, the results will change. We finished our video for today. I hope you enjoyed in this video, and goodbye.